Hey, the Ghost here with another video. It is the 21st of November 2016 and 14 days into the whole drinking nothing but water. As you may or may not see or hear, it is raining. It's been raining most of the day so far. It's pretty cold too. Did bring gloves, but I needed to take them off. Well, I'll do this. Let's do that. There we go. Now I was hoping the rain would ease up for a while so I could film a little intro thing that I'm making, but it's not easing up. So yeah, you may see quite a bit of smudging. Right, I can't do much about that since I don't have a clean, dry cloth to wipe the lens. So let's see about going into here. Seems quite sheltered here. So yeah, the headaches. There's a bit of a headache today, yes, but it's not really too great. Pretty much ran out of food, really. Well, not completely out of food. I've still got beans and that. But I ran out of milk, soya milk for porridge. So I have no. So I don't have any freaking money to actually, you know, just do that. Sorry for the weird camera stuff. I only have £2. Seems to be easing up the rain, but hey ho. It's Monday, isn't it? Yeah, I think. Should be. Today's Monday. Got just over about a week left until the money from my friend comes in. So I have to stretch out as much of the food as possible, really. Got down to one sliver of bread. Well, I got sandwiches, but I pretty much had enough sandwiches for bread for 2 days, but so I cut them in half, so half a sandwich each day for lunch. So I could do without lunch, really. I don't know. When food is low, there you are. I do have 2 more cans of soup. Train. I don't know if you can hear that. No, I got 2 cans of soup and 2 more cans of baked beans, really. And of course I got, a whole box of oh so simple porridge things. I won't be able to eat them because there's no milk. No soy milk, since I'm lactose intolerant. I can't have no cow's milk. So, and I know I can use water, but last time I used water, it pretty much was extremely watery. It was quite disgusting. Quite disgusting. Yeah. Looks like I need the trousers battery. There's a battery needs a bit of charging. So yeah. So yeah, glad thing I bought some the extra batteries. Anyway, yesterday's vlog, the computer was taking so bloody long. I started uploading about quarter to 6, and by 11 PM it was only 27%, so I stopped that trying uploading. So people, hang on, give me a sec. Sorry about that. Battery was flashing red, so I had to change it. Now, anyway, yesterday's vlog went to about 4 AM this morning, because I decided to cancel the upload from the Asus laptop computer thing, and so I transferred the file to my phone and had my phone upload it a lot faster from 11 to 4, so 5 hours, which I would do more often when doing my vlogs. And it's raining still. So yeah, it's quite annoying to do that, because my Lenovo Chrome notebook thingy bob is out of juice and I can't find the damn charger. So yeah, I'd love to upload it through that, but no charger means no battery power life thing. So until I find that, it's going to be through the phone, which means I have to, of course, for some reason YouTube will not actually use the default description for mobile uploads for some bloody reason. So yeah, so I have to do that, copy and paste from the default default description stuff into the description, and of course I can't choose the thumbnail, so I had to do that this morning too. Quite annoying. So the only stuff that's going to be uploaded through the Asus laptop computer thing will be the main channel stuff, as long as it's under 10 minutes, as well as the gaming stuff, since I cannot schedule the uploads via phone. So that's a pain in the backside. Oh well, I can easily do that, leave the uploads of gaming stuff overnight. This is fabulous. Anyway, I'll keep walking. So I am home. It's been raining all effing day. Yes, sir. So, about to eat me tea. Someone had some leftover chips, because they bought some fish and chips from the chippy. So I grabbed some to go with some beans. Beans and a bit of egg, some eggs, 2 eggs. They're going off anyway. Last day to use them and no one's going to eat them, so I might as well have them myself. Beans, eggs and chips, really. Ooh, French fries for you North American uneducated people. Anyway, I shall end this here. Until next time, people of the interweb, farewell.